Yes. What's up, guys? It's me, Frostal Kalai, your best music, dancehall music news reporter. Uh-huh. And this is another commentary for the dancehall community. Actually, Vibes Cartel did a show in Florida, and the guy headlined a concert solo concert, meaning the guy is revolutionizing the dancehall music, and he's taking the dancehall music industry to another level. Okay, Vibes Cartel is taking dancehall music to another level, and we are just waiting for for that concert that he'll do in Kenya. I believe the Kenyan Nyayo Stadium, if it fits, of which I believe that's the place he will be holding the concert. Mhm. Meanwhile, subscribe, support this channel. Mhm. You can support this channel by subscribing. Okay, click that subscription button. The more you subscribe, the more I give you the current dancehall music news. Meanwhile, subscribe kindly.